All right, everybody, here we are, putting Ivana's skills to the test today with local celebrities Greg and Jumi. Food and Footprints. I'm sure you guys know their channel. So here we are taking a cooking class. Not for me, obviously. Are you guys good cooks?
No.
We learned a little bit during MCO, but we're definitely not there.
That's
We're not
why
in Ivana's level.
That's why we're all learning. I took them to try the cooking class at Sarang Cookery here. Yes. So we're gonna cook, I think, 3 dishes. Ayam Kapitan, Assam pedas fish, and the last one is called Kuih, ketayap.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So you'll watch us cook on this video, and then you can head over to Greg and Jumi's channel for us eating the dishes.
Yeah.
So half here, half there. And without further ado,
Let's go.
let's get cooking. All right, aprons on, ready to cook. Here's our station. You can see very clean and organized. Here's our group today. Everybody say, Sambal Blechan. And just like that, we're ready for our first dish, Ayam Kapitan.
You have to
Oh my god.
make sure that this is previous development.
Can we recreate that, Steve?
Good luck. All right, step 1. Chop a bunch of ingredients and then smash them up in a porter and messel. Ivana will chop, I will smash. It's a cook-off. Dun, 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 dun. We're falling behind. Greg's already smashing and we're still chopping. First time using this device. I think I can handle this technology.
Come on, Steve.
You don't have to be so gentle, alright?
There you go.
Yeah, smash it off. But don't get everything to the floor.
She's making a mess.
Sorry, look, I got
Don't make a mess.
You said don't be gentle.
I know, but I didn't say that you're gonna get everything onto the floor.
I guess I'm not gonna break this.
No, you won't.
Okay.
But if you can break this, I'll give you
Wow.
something.
Smashing it up.
Look at Greg. All the men are cooking this time. Come on, Steve. Greg is doing better right now.
Greg's doing better?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. I taught Greg everything he knows about snapping garlic.
But how do you get the powder from?
This is, I'm pretty sure this is carrots, Ivana.
And what's this one, Steve?
These are called baby carrots.
What's this one?
This one, I'll tell you what that is. It's like a fish cube.
Yeah.
Right?
Shrimp. I think it's shrimp. Shrimpies.
That's what I meant. Ivana, it's going everywhere. Okay, next. Okay, this is how far we are. Not bad. Let's check Greg. Oh, Greg is doing way better than us.
We got a lot of onions in here to mash up.
Man. We've got a lot to learn, Ivana.
You got a lot. Look at the whole table shaking.
Cheaters! 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 That's a disqualification. That's a disqualification. Okay, finished product, guys. If that's not smashed, then I don't know what is.
Good? Okay. Good? Okay.
The best one she's ever seen. I think she said that. This is what she said. Guys, I'm embarrassed to admit, this one is ours.
Oh no!
Greg and Jumi is so good. It's so much more smooth.
We got a little assistance though.
Wow, little assistance, but look how smooth it is. It's perfectly, mine's just chunky, amateur.
It's not over. You can still fix
Amateur.
it.
You can still
You can
pound
still fix
it.
it.
My shoulders can't pound anymore.
Wow, look there.
Okay.
Oh, look at that, Steve.
Come on, Steve.
Okay, we're like 20 minutes behind, but we're working on it. This thing is really heavy.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be my day off from the gym. I'm like sweating over here.
Wow.
Listen to that.
Rumi, aren't you glad the men are cooking?
Yes, of course.
How did this even happen?
I know.
This is a new generation.
We got swindled, that's right. This is sambal.
Yeah.
Sambal belacan or sambal?
No. This is just red chili.
Red chili.
Yeah,
Just
right
red
chili.
This one with chili.
Yeah, this is the one
Oh.
that was then
from
soaked
red
in
chili.
water, and then we blended it, and then we fried it in oil. And it's not spicy.
Okay, but maybe one minute.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's good.
I'm not afraid. Okay.
Well, you want it to be reddish, and if you want it to be reddish, so you don't have enough oil, you don't let
Got it?
Now you squash.
Wash this on here.
So Greg, do you usually cook at home?
Usually no, except for this MCO period. So
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
got this nice lemongrass. Look at that. It's getting coated. It's getting turning nice and yellow with that turmeric. Yeah,
Nice,
it absorb all those flavors.
nice.
Yeah.
Smelling good, Steve.
Wow.
Christina says very nice.
Chicken's in.
Chicken's in. Sauce is thickening, bubbling.
Okay, gonna do my first taste test.
Taste test. It's ready, guys. Job's done here.
Let's see.
Watch this. It's gonna blow your mind, Ivana. It's gonna blow your mind. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow. Woo! Tangy and sweet and spicy. Rich.
It's an old family recipe.
good. That's true. Christina's family recipe.
Correct, yes.
All right, let me taste Greg's curry. Let's
Yeah,
see.
see what you think. See if there's any clear difference.
Ooh. Mmm. This one is good too. Similar. I think Steve's one is spicier.
Does that mean better?
Depends on your taste.
Ooh.
You don't have to give yours
They're
a try.
both good.
Well, it's good that they're both different. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
That means we could share and just have
It's similar. It's just a tiny bit difference.
Buddy,
All right.
I was not shy with the chili
I don't mind. I
sauce.
like to taste a little different. Smells delicious. Mmm. Definitely spicier. And more on the ketchup side too. Definitely tastes more of the tomato. I like it. It's different than ours.
Cool. Let me try yours.
Yeah.
Which one do you prefer?
This one.
Whoa, Steve!
You like
The chef likes yours better.
Only because he likes spicy stuff.
Look at our kitchen. Look at the mess that we made.
Really nice.
And look at Greg's kitchen. It's so clean. Whoa.
Well, there's like little bits on the pan. Yeah, I think we're equally messy.
Nice. The master chef said we did a good job.
Hey guys, let me know in the comments whose food looks better. Dun, 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 dun. They almost look the exact same, to be fair.
A little darker.
Dish number 2.
Assam pedas.
Pedas.
So we just saw our lesson. So if my memory is good, I'll be able to get the right stuff.
By the way, look at this. What is this, Steve, again?
I'll tell you what it is. It's called torch ginger.
Whoa, very good.
Boom.
Bravo, yes.
I thought it was baby banana flour.
Yeah, it looks
But
really
it's not.
pretty. Smells good too.
Gloves for a chili buddy. Oh, where's the galango? This one, no? Okay. More. Okay.
You don't like spicy? It's not spicy. It's not spicy.
Okay, more spicy. Oh, this. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. Glove because of chilies. Safety first, everybody.
How many chilies are you guys having?
I'm gonna go 5 also. We can't slack here.
Wow.
You gotta keep up.
Look what we did,
And we
Ivana.
got 5 too.
Peer pressure.
He's mad.
Poof. Cooking is not easy, but evidently smashing all the ingredients releases more flavors than just blending it. So we're doing it the proper way. It's just very tiring. I gotta say though, this place is really great. We walk into the front door, it's like a bright colored building. There's a garden out front where most of the herbs and spices are from. We were like trying them in the garden as we were waiting for people to arrive. We had like a little half an hour class before we started, going through some books and learning about the Peranakan cuisine. And then we come upstairs and everything is super organized. Everybody has their own station. All the ingredients are prepared. You watch the professionals cook and then you have your chance afterwards and they teach you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and they help you out. Plus, it's been great to meet Greg and Jumi, so having a great time. Now, we're cooking the second dish now. To me, it looks similar to the first dish, which is disheartening. It looks like we're doing the same thing, but same ingredients, different flavor because of the way you prepare them. So we're learning a lot. And can't wait to try it. There you have it. It looks similar, although the main difference is there's fish in this one. And what did she say it was, mackerel?
Mackerel.
Yeah. So Ivana, this is tamarind.
Tamarind juice. This is the key to the ingredients to the Assam pedas.
This is what gives it the Assam, which means sour. Okay, here we go.
Good?
Yeah, go ahead. Looks pretty darn good, I'll tell you that much.
Taste test. The master. Good? Okay.
The master.
Good?
Yeah, good one, Ivana. Okay, looks good, Ivana. Ooh, steam, Assam pedas. Ikan.
Ikan, Assam pedas.
All right, there you have it. Greg and Jumi on the right, JetLag Warriors on the left. Dun, 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 dun.
Looks good.
Looks good. So there's one more to cook, no? Or is it finished?
One more.
Dessert?
We have a dessert to cook too. Two main courses and a dessert.
You guys definitely have the fancier plate there, for sure.
Ivana knows how to do the garnish here.
Ours is just put everything together.
Still looks good. Still tastes the same.
Alright.
All right, time for dessert. All right, Ivana. Kuih, ketayap,
Kuih ketayap.
which we just actually had last week.
Yes.
These things are amazingly delicious. We're cooking the batter. Here's the batter we just prepared. Here's the stuffing, which is basically sugar and coconut they prepared for us. Cannot wait. I'm getting so hungry. It's like, this needs to happen now. Oh, is it ready? Oh, look at that, Ivana. Perfect job. Okay, first attempt. So you're just gonna give her one of these. Up to here. Then you do the old folderino. And then you keep her going.
Wow.
And there you have a kuih ketayap. And now what you're actually supposed to do is fold it in this too, no?
No.
No, I didn't mean that. No, I didn't mean that.
Good one.
Uh-oh. My first time rolling a kuih ketayap burst open.
You want to try rolling another one, Steve?
Sure. Let me try. Okay, roll. Fold. Oh, this is cooked way better, babe. Look at this. Perfect.
Good job.
Bro, you could just put that in your pocket. Just take that. That's amazing. That's perfect.
Nice.
Oh, it's so good. Look at that. Woo.
Too thick?
It's too thick.
Too thick. We gotta make it really thin. We gotta make that wrap really thin.
Yeah, that seems to be the battle. You want it as thin as possible, but if you put too thin, it'll have holes in it and it doesn't work.
Round 3.
Yeah. All right, here we go, Steve. Woo!
That was a fail.
Why did you put a hole in the middle? No. You must swish it. Swish it.
I'm swishing.
What?
Coconut and brown sugar. I mean, it's so yummy.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
And then you roll it like a Cuban cigar.
About this.
And you fold this part. You fold that part. And you keep rolling.
Wow, perfect one, Steve. Okay, how's it going, Jimmy?
Look at that. That's so pretty. That's a perfect pancake.
Wow.
You're way better at the pancake.
Oh, look at that one.
Yay!
Perfect.
It makes sense. You're the dessert queen, so.
These are cute. So last one, I Steve.
I'm getting the hang of it now. Look at this.
Nice.
Hey, whoa.
Oh.
Push you out into a lot of water right now.
Alright. Rusty, good job.
And break.
Oh, that's a pro.
Getting better.
That's a pro.
You got 3 done so far.
You guys did perfect.
The
That's like
student and the master, guys. The student and the master.
Oh,
We're on exchange.
stark difference here.
Good job though.
You guys go.
What's important is the taste.
Absolutely. Salad more than rice. Right?
Thank you, Christina, for having us here.
All right, thank you. So let's begin.
All right, there you have it, guys. Cooking class is over. How was your experience, guys?
This is awesome. Right?
Hiring.
So much going into it. You really appreciate and respect all the work that goes into the cooking.
Yes.
It's a labor of love.
Yes, especially grinding up everything by hand. It's a serious job.
Lots of fresh ingredients.
Yeah, it was a good experience. I'd recommend this place. So if you want to see our taste test and see how we turned out, how our food turned out, you can head over to Greg and Jimmy's channel. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody.
See ya.
See ya.